Hello, welcome to today's lesson. This is Rhythmic Placement Video 2, Part 2. We are expanding upon placement of our rhythms in different beats. And what we're doing is we're going to be using common rhythms now to be moving them around on the beat. So once you've mastered placing a single note on any quarter note or eighth note of the measure, just as you did in video Part 1, you can now begin with little rhythmic phrases, just placing them quarter note by quarter note or eighth note by eighth note through the measure. So let's go ahead and begin with 2 eighth notes. So what we see is, first of all, we have our eighth note rhythm, which is going to be 1 and, or for the swung, 1 up. And we'll start off by placing it on the first measure or the first beat of the measure. Then we'll place it on the second measure, and then the third measure and fourth measure, and so on. So let's go ahead and try that out now with our clapping. And here we go. So remember, moving it over every beat. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1, 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and. Very good. So there you go. Let's now go ahead and place it on the, this time, not just the single downbeats, but we're now going to go ahead and do them on eighth notes with downbeats and upbeats. So the way that's going to work is it's going to look like this. So as usual, we have our 2 eighth notes starting on 1 and, then we'll move it over to the and of 1 and then on 2, and then of course it will just keep moving over 1 half beat until we're at the end of our measure. So let's go ahead and try that out. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 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 2, 3, 4. 1, 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3 and 3. 1, 2, 3 and 3. 1, 2, 3, 3 and 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 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 1. And so you have it. So let's go ahead now, and we're going to take these same ideas of clapping the eighth notes, and we're going to do them with swung eighth notes. Here we go. Starting with just downbeats. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Okay? And so those are for the downbeats. Now, this is the hardest one, where we will be clapping the eighth notes swung on every eighth beat or eighth note. Sometimes it's going to be 1, 2, or 1, 2, and sometimes it's going to be long, short, or short, long, depending on where the placement of the eighth note is. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. And there you have it. Okay, so let's go ahead now and do one of these clapping and emphasizing of the rhythm when we're clapping. Let's go ahead and try it with a piece of music. Okay, here we go. Once again, we're going to be using our Bedford Square Blues example for clapping. We're going to be using the swung eighth notes. Let's start off by doing the and one, just like that for the downbeats. Then when we do it again, we'll do the eighth note subdivisions. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what we see here is we have some rhythms that we have created. We have 2 quarter notes, and we'll just displace them either on the downbeat or the upbeat. And then, of course, we have these rhythms here, and then we'll go ahead and try those ones. Let's go ahead and try the quarter note. Now, the quarter note is kind of interesting because it must remain as a quarter note, which is 2 eighth notes, even if it's displaced by a half beat. It sounds off. So let's go ahead and try that with the quarter note first. 1, 2, and this is going to be 2 beats. 1, 2. 1,